Hello everyone, it's me Shugufta and welcome back to our Python series with me. So, in this video, we talk about broadcasting in Numpy. So, have you ever wondered how Numpy lets you add a number to a whole array without writing loops or using a loop? That magic is called broadcasting. So, in this video, I'll explain you the rules step by step with example. So, first we know what is broadcasting. So broadcasting is a way like NumPy automatically stretches array of different shapes so that you can perform mathematical operations easily. So first we do how these type of examples, why we need to use them. Okay, so first we see how to write it. Like here I take an example like import NumPy as NP, and here I am using a variable one. Okay, and here np dot array. Here I am adding two array so that I have to take one dimensional array. You have to take two dimensional, three dimensional, whatever you want. And for this, I have to show you like print me the variable one. Okay, now I want variable two is equal to np dot array. Okay, and here four, five, six. Okay, and now print me the variable 2, and now I want like I have to the sum of variable 1 plus variable 2. Okay, so let's see what's happened. So you see here first they print me variable 1, then variable 2, and then variable 3, which I want like you have to add those. Like here 1 plus 4, 5, and 2 plus 5, 7, and 3 plus 6, 9. Okay. Whatever, if I have changed it like that, so you see there is an error. Here they show you that operand could not be broadcast together with shapes. So if I have to print out the shape here, we also have to find out like here I am writing dot shape to know the shape. What is it? What's the shape? Okay. Dot shape. So you see there is an error. It's the error is happening like with the shape 3 and with the shape 2. Like in the above case there is 3, like here 1 row and 3 columns, and in the below case here is 2. That's why they don't even add it, and it's an error. So here we talk about the rules of broadcasting. Rule number 1 is if array have same dimension, operation are done element wise. Like if both have same dimension, same number of elements, then there is no worry, you can do it easily. But if one array has a dimension equal to 1, so NumPy stretches it to match the other. Like there must have one element. And rule number 3 is if dimension don't match and none is 1, you got an error, you don't even do that. Okay, so like I have to take a simple example so you can easily understand. Okay, import NumPy as np, and here I am taking x is equal to np dot array, and here I am writing my array is 1 comma 2 comma 3. Okay, this is a simple one. Okay, and here b like y is equal to like 10. Okay, and now I want that you print me x plus y. Like I want to print the sum of an array and a scalar number. So can it give? Yeah, it can give. Like element wise, they give you the value. Okay, because in this case, when the 10 happen, 10 is 1 cross 1. So in one case you have 1 cross 1. In the above you have 1 cross 3. That's why at the end they give you 1 cross 3 array. Okay, so now what I can do is the example that I take in the above is how is like you have to see that there is an error. So how can we fix our error? So for this, what we do now, like in the variable one, you see there is 1 row and 3 columns. Like if I have to see the shape, so the shape is like in above I go So you see the shape is 3 and in the next case is 2. So how can we fix that? For this, we have to take them the element wise. Like in this case, I am giving them the brackets. So, so what happened? That gives you like two rows and one column. Okay, 2 cross 1. So now in the first variable 1, what happened is 1 cross 3, and the next what is like in that case 2 cross 1. So the 1 probability is also happen in those case. So what we have to get, our answer is like 2 cross 3. So let's see if it's working or not. So you see, the first thing is that we get our shape. Like in the above case, you have see the 3 comma. It means that you have 3 columns in one row. Okay. So in the next case, what they give you, like 2 rows, 1 column. And at the last, what they give you is to print the variable 1 plus variable 2. So you see your array that's our program gives you is that 2 cross 3, 2 rows and 3 columns. Like we have to show, we always behave the array as a matrix. So we easily linked with them or understand. So in simple word, if I have to clear you by a real world example, like think of a broadcasting like putting one slice of a cheese on 3 sandwiches. Like you have to extend them. Like in the above case, what I do is like y is equal to 10. I extend them with all 3 places. Like I have used with all 3 places. Like in the above 1 comma 2 comma 3. I add them like 10 plus 1, 10 plus 2 and 10 plus 8. That's at the last I gave them 11, 12, 13 answer. So like we have to do so broadcasting saves time, avoid loops. Like you see how easily we can build it and make numpy operation super efficient. So you have an assignment, like you have to practice with different shapes and you will master it quickly. So that's all for today video, so stay tuned.